Hello everyone. If you want your aloe vera plants to stay green, grow faster, and produce lots of baby plants, here's a simple and natural method you can do right at home. You'll only need two common kitchen ingredients: crushed eggshells and garlic. Eggshells are rich in calcium and minerals that make aloe leaves strong, while garlic helps prevent fungus and insects naturally. After using eggs, dry the shells completely. Then crush them with your hands into small pieces. Chop 4 cloves of garlic and soak them in 1 liter of water for 24 hours. After that, your organic fertilizer is ready. Once a month, sprinkle a few pieces of crushed eggshells on the soil and water the plant with garlic water at the base. Keep your aloe vera in a moderate sunlight, avoid overwatering, and remove any dry leaves near the base so baby plants can grow freely. That's it. With this easy once-a-month routine, your aloe vera will grow greener, stronger, and full of new baby plants all year round. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple organic gardening tips.